Hello guys, today we will see how we can restore the data from Snapshot. So there are two ways of doing that. First one is you can log into the Windows machine or the Unix machine where the share is mounted, and you can go inside .snapshot directory, and then you can copy the content to a different location. The second one is SnapRevert. So SnapRevert is a kind of entirely folder level, and it will revert the data to that point of time when the snapshot was created. So suppose we have a snapshot that was created yesterday and we wanted to snap revert today. So whatever data has been written till today, since the snapshot generation, all the data will be lost. So based upon our requirement, we need to select which one we should proceed for snapshot restoration. In this video, we will focus on SnapRevert. So let's first create a scenario from where we can proceed further. So here I have a Unix machine where one Isilon NFS export has been mounted. The directory path is /ifs/apptest and the mount point name is /apptest. If I'm going inside this mount point, I can see there are few files and folder. So what we will do here, we will remove one particular file that is named T, and we will also create a new file called file3. So when we complete the SnapRevert, what we're supposed to see is that the file name T should present here, and the file named file3 will no longer be available here. So let's go back to our GUI. In order to run the SnapRevert, we need two jobs to run. The first job is domain mark and the second job is SnapRevert itself. So let's first get the details of snapshot that we want to take the reference for SnapRevert. So for that, go to data protection, then snapshot IQ, and then snapshot. Here we can see we have a snapshot called snap1. Click on view details. We can see the snapshot ID is 23, and then the directory path is /ifs/apptest. So now we have to run two jobs as I said earlier. So in order to run the jobs, go to cluster management, then job operations, then job types. Here we can see one job name domain mark. So click on more and then start jobs. Give the priority to 1 so that it will complete faster. Impact policy is high, and the domain root path will be the exact path or the directory for which we want to restore the data. So in this case /ifs apptest, and select. Then the type of domain, click on SnapRevert and then start jobs. The job has been started, and we can go to job summary to see the current status. Here we can see that domain mark is in progress state. So based upon the priority and the policy, it will take some time to get the job completed. So let me go back somewhere else and come back to job summary. Now I can see there are no active jobs. Let's go to job report and see what is the status. So here we can see that domain mark is in completed state. The next job that we have to run is SnapRevert. So again, go back to job types, and down below we can see SnapRevert. Again, click on more and then start jobs. Give the priority 1 here, impact policy high, and the snapshot ID to revert. In this case it is 23. Then click on start jobs. The job has been started. Go to job summary to see the current status. As you can see, it is in running state. The job has been completed. As we can see, there are no active jobs. We can go to job reports to see the SnapRevert status. So we can see that SnapRevert is in completed state. So now let's go back to the Unix machine and see what is the status. So I'm inside this /apptest. Let's execute ls-l, and now we can see that we have reverted back to the previous state. So file 3 is no longer here, and the file t that we deleted is back here. So one thing I would like to say here, so if we'll again go back to data protection and the snapshot IQ, then go to snapshot. So we can see another snapshot is created, that is snap1 pre-revert dot and some numbers. So whenever a SnapRevert job runs, it will also create a snapshot of that particular share for which we are restoring the data. So in this manner, it will avoid the data lost happened between the point of restoration and the point of snapshot generation. So that's all what I wanted to discuss on this video. If you have any question, please comment, do subscribe, and again, thank you for watching.